If you need stock video for any project, the cost can be very expensive. Thankfully, there are websites offering high quality video footage for both personal and commercial use free of charge. Coming up, I will count down the top 5 websites we have used where you can download free stock videos for just about any project, including those created for YouTube. And near the end of this video, I will show you additional websites not making our top 5 with free stock footages that are worth checking out. Let's get started. MixKit. Starting off our countdown at number 5 with MixKit. You won't find the largest amount of free footage on this site, but what you do find is all in stunning 4K resolution. MixKit is a free gallery of awesome stock video clips, music tracks, sound effects, and video templates. MixKit offers a curated collection of free videos in a variety of categories, releasing 10 videos each week. Their license lets you use their content on any project with no attribution required. In at number 4 is Videvo, which offers thousands of free and premium stock videos created by their community members. Most of the videos are in HD with a small selection also in 4K. If you only want to see the free stock footage, here at the top, click on video. On this page, go to filters and select only free clips. Below the ad at the top, with the filter selected, you will only see the free stuff. Other filter options include resolution and license. Do note that the video you choose could be one of three license types. When you select a clip, it will show you the licensing and usage information. For example, this video can be used for all projects, but credit must be given. In another example, in addition to giving credit, this footage cannot be used for commercial or promotional projects. If you select Learn More, you can get additional information about the various license types offered on Videvo. Coming in at number 3 is Videezy. They offer a large collection of high quality videos in both HD and 4K resolution that are royalty free for personal and commercial use. When searching on their website, you can filter the result along the left by file type, license type, resolution, and format. Most videos you find will be in an MP4 format. In addition to the free clips, below the preview of the video you selected, it will have a link to the license info and show you the file format, resolution, and the frame per second. The Videezy standard license is the most common type of license for the free footage. It lets you use any clip for personal and commercial use, but you must give attribution in one of the two ways listed. The footage can also be purchased to remove the attribution requirement. In the runner-up spot, coming in at number 2 is Pixabay. This site is one of our favorites for free stock photos, and it also great when looking for free stock footage with thousands of videos you choose from. All videos on Pixabay are submitted by its community of users. Most are in HD with a decent selection also in 4K resolution. To the right of the preview, it displays the file format, resolution, length of the video, along with additional information. When you go to download any file, you get to choose the resolution of that video. All images and videos on the website carry the Pixabay license. There are not many restrictions. You can use any file for both personal and commercial use. Before we get to our top pick, here are some additional free stock video websites that just might be worth your time to check out. Vidsplay is another fantastic resource. With new content being added each week, all videos can be used for personal and commercial projects, but credit must be given to vidsplay.com. When compared to most, Mazwai offered a limited selection, but what is available is highest level of quality. The videos can carry one of two license. Details of the license for each clip can be found on the download page. And Life of Vids is another site with a small collection of content to choose from, but it's still worth checking out. The footage is provided by the advertising agency Leroy based in Canada. It's all available for free with no copyright restriction but limited to 10 videos. On the top spot, coming in at number 1, our favorite free stock video website is Pexels. On Pexels, the variety is amazing. The file format is MP4 with content in both HD and 4K. On the download page, you have your choice of resolution, and below the video, if you click on info, you can gather additional information about the video, including its resolution, duration, FPS and aspect ratio. Below the video information is also a quick summary of license. Creative Commons 0 and Pexels license are the two offered. Both allow for use on personal and commercial projects with no attribution required. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. If you use a free stock video website not mentioned, let us know about it in comments. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest top 5s and other tech related stuff here on SoftAsia Tech.